Hi, my name is Joshua Regis. I'm the CEO and co-founder of KritKarr.
Hello, my name is Andre Jones. I'm the Chief Technology Officer, co-founder, and lead developer of KritKarr.
KritKarr is set to revolutionize the automotive industry. And we do this through a platform that connects users to trusted mobile mechanics, AI vehicle diagnostics, flexible workspaces, and innovate small automotive businesses with CRM technology. KritKarr seeks to solve the disconnect and inefficiency of the automotive industry, where vehicle owners often face overpriced services, long wait time, and a lack of trust in mechanics. At the same time, skilled independent mechanics struggle with limited visibility, high overhead costs, outdated tools to manage and grow their businesses. That's where KritKarr comes in to bridge the gap by offering tech-powered platform that connects drivers directly to vetted mobile mechanics. We're making car care more accessible, affordable, and trustworthy for everyone involved. Welcome to the live demo of KritKarr. Starting with welcome page to register. Next, choose individual. Put your personal information. Then you add your vehicle. Put year, make, and model. The UI will show icon of vehicle. At the bottom is auto news, service history, and diagnostic. We have AI recall assistant, mechanic assistant, and insurance assistant. This will link you to service providers if you need further assistance. Now let's see things in action. And that is our demo. Thank you.